Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Chidima and I share recipes like this every week. So do well to join the family by subscribing. So today I'll be showing you how to make this basic vanilla cake with just 6 ingredients. So you want to start by creaming your butter and sugar together. You're going to mix this until it's light and fluffy and doubles in size. If you don't have a mixer, you can use a turning stick. Trust me, it gets the job done. It may just take a while. Now I'm using a spatula to scrape down the sides of my bowl so that I'm sure every single thing is creamed properly, and then I'll continue mixing. So guys, let's chat. If you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Trust me, it's completely free. It's really going to help the channel and also encourage me so that I can be bringing back-to-back recipes for you every week. Anyways, that being said, our butter is fully creamed. As you can see, it has moved from bright yellow to this creamy color, and we've also incorporated a lot of air. Now we're going to add our eggs one at a time, making sure it's fully combined before adding the other. So you want to make sure that everything you're using for this recipe is in room temperature. If you've stored your eggs or your margarine in the fridge, just bring it out maybe 30 minutes before you start baking your cake. Now all our eggs have been added, and as you can see, we were able to mix it in without our butter curdling. That's because our eggs were not cold and they were added in one at a time. So I'll add in my vanilla and mix that properly. I should have added that while creaming my butter, but I forgot, and that's why I'm adding it now. In this bowl, I've measured out my flour and baking powder, and I'm just going to sieve that to get rid of any lumps or dirt. As always, the full recipe will be listed in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. So it's time to fold in your flour and milk into your butter mixture, and you're just going to do that by alternating the two of them, making sure to start with the flour and end with the flour. So once you're done mixing, you just have to divide your batter into 2 6-inch pans or 1 8-inch pan and bake. You can use a scale for accuracy, but I'm just eyeballing it and it worked perfectly for me. So you just use your spatula to sort of like flatten the top so that when your cake comes out of the oven, it's leveled. You also want to give the pans, a few taps to just let out any air bubbles. Now all you have to do is place your cakes in a preheated oven and let it bake for about 30 minutes. This time may differ depending on the kind of oven you're using, but just make sure to check it periodically, and once a toothpick or skewer inserted comes out clean or crumbly, then you know your cake is ready. So guys, we've now come to the end of this video, and I'm sure you now know how easy it is to make your own vanilla cake at home. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and share to your loved ones. Bye for now. I'll see you in my next one. Goodies always from Chidi.